welcome you to the Master Wong Tai Chi training. On this Chen Style Tai Chi Canon Fist 1 and Canon Fist 2, I will go through with you all the things that you need to learn to understand about the Canon Fist 1 and Canon Fist 2. Now, on this part here, just basically welcome you to the course, and onto the course, like on all our courses, your understanding, if you got other courses, it's very basic and simple when you start to practice all this kind of movement here. If you find when you're working, got any problem with this kind of thing onto the training side, let me know onto Udemy side. Let me know, and I will glad to helping you to understanding onto the training you got. I will add application, movement, and all this training into these courses. And if you need anything else that will want to helping you to learn onto the Chen Style side, let me know, and I will glad to help you. At this course progress as you're learning, I will update them and then add some more different thing into it to helping you to understand. And if you want anything specially add on, because when you're watching through certain thing to helping you, let me know. I will do that to make sure you can learn good learning experience. Okay, so this is the introduction onto the welcome bit to let you know I welcome you to the course, and I ready, and I think you get exciting on movement and get ready for training. So I will see you onto the lesson.